Hi everyone! Wanted to just let everyone know something exciting that we finally done. I honestly wanted to do this last year, but 2020 never got around to it, and we finally did it. I just did it. The first couple are probably gonna suck, but we're gonna do our best. But we finally launched like a VIP membership type thing, basically an email list. Well, we'll send newsletters and discount codes, and with our holiday cookie pre-orders, you'll get like early access to our holiday cookie pre-orders. So maybe like an hour or two of access of just, you'll have a certain password to get into it. And with cookie cutters, we'll have special sales just for email list subscribers. And maybe we'll do tutorials and classes and just some fun stuff and just updating everyone on what's going on. So we'll have it on our website, and we'll link it on Instagram and all the social media. We'll have it on there for you, but we're just really excited and we wanted to let you know about it. So yeah, go ahead and sign up, and you will get a 10% discount code for signing up. That it's a one-time use code that you can use for whatever purchase you want, cookies, cutters, whatever you want. But it's just our way of saying thank you to everyone for supporting us throughout the last couple of years. I know last year was rough, and we're just very excited for some new things this year.